Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's topic is how to add custom timer in PPT. So this is third tips and tricks of PowerPoint presentation, shortly known as PPT. So let's see how we can do that. Very simple topic. Let's say you wanted to add an image. Let's say I have already added an image, so I will just delete this image. Maybe another time I will take it. Go to shapes and take any image you want. Let's say you would like to take, maybe smiley face. Just draw a smiley face, okay? And then you can, if you don't want the colors, you can get rid of the colors. So if you want the colors, you can just do that. So I'm just selecting it. Once it is selected, what you need to do, no, this is like an object is selected. So once the object is selected, you have multiple options to do. Go to animation, step number 1. So only 3 steps to follow. Step number 1, go to animation. There are 2 things. These are all the different options you will have, and add animation. Always you can take it from here. So multiple things you can do it, right? So you can always choose from add animation. In that, you can go to exit and fly out. That means after stipulated time, it will fly out. So you can just, for example, it's too fast. That means 0.5, it is there, right? So all you need to do is select. This is step number 1. We have already added no timer. So, but this is too fast. What we need to customize it, there is something called animation pane. In the animation pane, you already have that, there is a timer one, right? So where you can customize it. So when you select it, it comes down to here, right click on it, and then timing. So in the timing, as I said, that is very, very fast. So maybe we can just select 10 seconds. Maybe I will just select 10 seconds. Okay, give okay. And you have more options to do. On click, with previous, or after previous. So I will click like on click. That's it. So it will wait for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see here on this side. So like this, you can easily add it. How we can apply this one? Where we can apply? One example I have. For example, so what is the national vegetable of India? You wanted to automate this question or quiz. What is a national vegetable of India? You have 4 options. So 4 options are coming up one after the other. And this timing you can adjust also as well. And you wanted to show what is the right answer. And then let's say the whole question is being popped up. The question along with 4 possible options. And then timer is on. So that means 10 seconds. You can increase based on your requirement, and you can very well customize it and configure it. So, and then it shows the right answer. The right answer is the vegetable is pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.